In Step 2, the HACCP team develops a product description. The purpose of a product description is to define the product and process for which the evaluation is being performed. Typically, there are 3 components to the description, which include a general description, the type of processing, and some technical information about the product. First, the general description. The general description for your product will identify the category your product falls into. If you produce food, for example, the categories might include pastries, beverages, frozen produce, or raw meats. Different categories of product tend to have their own set of known hazards and risks. Next, a description of the type of processing. If you produce food, for example, the types of processing might include baking, frying, pasteurizing, freezing, or milling. Your type of processing will again lend itself to its own set of hazards and risks. The HACCP plan must address all the risks of your product and your production process. Depending on the differences between your products and processes, you may need to have one or several HACCP plans. For example, frozen corn and canned corn would have separate production processes and risks, and therefore would require separate HACCP plans.